Amazon gives sellers tons of tools to boost conversions and drive more profitable sales. But there's one tool that really stands out from the rest, which is Premium A Plus content. Think of it like a mini website built right into your product listing. It's bold, visual, and interactive. But here's the crazy part, that most sellers aren't even using it. In fact, 4 out of 5 sellers don't even have access to Premium A Plus yet. Now in this video, I'm going to walk you through every single module available inside in Premium A Plus content. So even if you don't have access right now, you will know exactly what you are missing and what to use once you do. But more importantly, I will show you which modules to skip completely. Because let's be honest, most of them are just filler. Out of the 19 modules, only 7 or 8 are actually worth using if you want to build content that really converts. So let's dive in. Alright, to access A Plus content, just head over the hamburger menu in Seller Central, go to Advertising, and then click on A Plus Content Manager. This is where you will find out if you have access to Premium A Plus content. Just hit Start Creating A Plus content. If you see a section labeled Premium, congrats, you have got access. But if that Premium section isn't showing up, don't worry, you can unlock it. You just need to do 2 things. First, make sure you have added brand story modules to every single one of your active listings. Second, you need to get 15 A Plus content application approved. That doesn't mean you need 15 different listings. You can literally reuse the same product, tweak the content slightly, and submit again. It's a bit of grind, I know, but once those 15 A Plus are approved, boom, you unlock Premium A Plus content. Alright, now let's dive into the fun stuff. The actual Premium A Plus modules you get access to. Once you hit Add Module, you will see a huge list, way more than what regular A Plus content gives you. And here's the cool part, Premium A Plus is mobile optimized. You actually get to design both the desktop and mobile versions separately, which is super useful because things can look very different depending on the device. So let's break down the modules. First up, Premium Background Image with Text. Now, this one gives you a full width image and lets you add some text on top of it. But here's the things, you can't really customize that text and it's formatted the way Amazon decided and it honestly doesn't look great. If you have got any design resources at all, you are better off just baking that text into the image itself, or better yet, skip this module entirely and use one of the stronger layout modules. I will show you further down. Alright, so the Premium Background Images with Text. Yeah, you can pretty much skip that one, but the next one, Premium Comparison Table 1. Now this is gold. It's basically a scrollable comparison chart that shows off your other product. That's huge. It's like having multiple free sponsor ad placement right inside your own listing. And if you have got a product line, you need to use this. It's one of the best ways to cross-promote and increase your average order value. Honestly, this module alone makes Premium A Plus worth it. Now, next up, we have got Comparison Table 2 and 3. This version don't include the Add to Cart button, but they still look nice, especially on mobile. If you are more focused on showing product differences clearly, Table 3 might be helpful since it highlights features across different SKUs. But if I had picked one, Table 1 wins for the Add to Cart power. Moving on, Premium Dual Images with Text and 4 Images with Text. These two feels like leftover from regular A Plus content. Honestly, skip them. They are text heavy and don't take full advantage of what Premium A Plus is all about. Next, we have Premium Full Image. This one is useful. It's a clean H2H image module with no text layer on top. Great for high impact visual. We use this for a lot of our brand designs. But if you have got lots of rich content, there's an even better version. I will show you in a second that gives you more flexibility. Now let's talk about Premium Full Video. This is a must-have if you have got video content. It looks great on both desktop and mobile, and when shoppers click, it opens a nice clean video player. If you are serious about conversions, don't skip this one. Next up, let's talk about Premium Hotspot 1. And this one actually pretty unique. It's one of the few modules where the experience is completely different on desktop versus mobile. On desktop, shoppers can hover over a little dot placed on your image and each one reveals a different features or benefit. It's fun, interactive, and keep people engaged. Overall, this is a strong module to include. Moving on to Premium Hotspot 2. It's very similar to the first one, but this version includes an extra text header at the top that gives you a little more room to explain the section or create a hook before users start clicking through. Then we have got the Premium Navigation Carousel. Now this one is almost like building a mini website inside your listing. You can get a navigation bar at the top, followed by images and text section underneath. It's a great way to organize lots of information into one clean module, especially if you want users to click through topics like features, how it works, benefits, and more. But I will be honest, there is another module coming up that I like even more for this type of rich content layout. We will get to that in a second. Let's talk about one of the smartest modules, which is Premium Q&A. This one isn't flashy, but it's crazy effective. Why? Because it helps you prevent negative reviews before they even happen. So here's how it works. Think about the reason customers return your product or the complaints they leave in 1-star reviews. A lot of the time, it's not that the product was bad. They just didn't understand how to use it or they expected something different. With the Premium Q&A module, you can address all those concerns upfront. It's a simple but powerful way to increase your review rating over time. And it helps build trust with new customers right inside your listing. Alright, now let's move to one of my favorite modules, the Premium Regimen Carousel. This one's super interactive. You can get a row of clickable options, and when you click each one, it switches the images and the supporting text. It's smooth, dynamic, and put all your key info front and center. I personally like this one even more than the navigation carousel we talked about earlier. Why? Because everything's laid out cleanly and shoppers don't have to scroll far to get the info. It's perfect for showing different use case, benefits, routines, or product variation all in one compact space. Next is the Premium Simple Image Carousel. This one really useful because you can add multiple images in just 1 second. As you can see here, there are 6 images and customer can scroll through them using the button below. So if you have lots of image content, this is a solid way to show it all in one place. Now, Premium Single Images with Text. This one shows an image on one side and the text on the other. On mobile, it's text differently. But again, this one is a bit too text heavy. It's better to use more images or video focused modules. Then we have Premium Technical Specification. Now honestly, most sellers should skip this one. This is only good for very technical product. If your product is more general or made for everyday use, this probably won't help much. Same goes for Premium Text. Just skip this one. It's not helpful, and since you only get 7 module slots, so you don't want to waste one on plain text. Now let's talk about the Premium Video Image Carousels. This one can work well. It lets you include multiple video clips in one scrollable section. It's kind of like the image carousel but with video. There's also a Premium Video with Text modules. It's similar but add a block of text next to the video. It's okay, but in most cases using the full width image module works better. It's cleaner and keeps the focus on your visuals. And that's all the Premium A+ modules available to you. If you want to unlock Premium A+ content, you first need to set up a brand story. If you are not sure how to do that, you can reach out to us. Just leave a comment or send us an email to info@ecomclips.com and we will get back to you as soon as possible. At Ecomclips, we don't just provide tutorials, we focus on practical strategies that help sellers grow first and stay ahead in the game. We break down complex process into simple steps so you can take action right away without getting overwhelmed. Whether it's boosting your listing, mastering brand content, or navigating tricky seller tools, we have got your back every step of the way. So, if you want to level up your Amazon selling games with real proven advice, you are in the right place.